When I tell people na walang kulang na sweldo kasi pinag-usapan at pinagkasunduan niyo yan ng employer mo, alam mo maraming tao ang nagagalit sa akin. Sabi na hindi mo naintindihan ang sitwasyon namin. Kaya namin tinanggap yung trabaho, kaya namin tinanggap yung sweldo kasi wala kaming choice. Totoo ba ito na karamihan sa atin walang choice? Ako naniniwala na we always have a choice. Because isa to sa pinakaimportanteng regalo ni God sa atin. When God created us, He gave us free will, the ability to make choices for ourselves. Hindi niya tayo ginawang robot. Hindi rin tayo alipin na ibang tao ang nagdidikta ng kailangan natin gawin. In fact, Bible even tells us that Jesus died to set us free. So we always have a choice. Ang tanong lang, ginagamit ba natin mabuti? So marami ang nagsasabi na kaya lang nila tinanggap yung trabaho kasi wala silang choice, wala silang ibang pupuntahan. However, I believe this is not true, especially during these times. Alam ba nyo that there's a great vacuum of workers in all the industries in the Philippines? Kulang ho ang farmers today. Kulang ang factory workers. Kulang ang mga engineers. Kulang ang mga construction workers. Na kung kulang ang farmers, kulang ang engineers, kulang ang construction workers and factory workers, ibig sabihin kulang din ang managers. Kaya lang kulang ang managers kasi wala silang makuhang mga tao. And today, there are unlimited opportunities in the country. You can work as an online virtual assistant, meron call center, meron online selling, meron dropshipping. Ang dami hong opportunities today. In fact, one time I was listening to a speech of a CEO of one of the biggest construction company in the country. Sabi niya in his industry sa construction, there is a deficit of 6 million workers, kulang. And this is the reason why many of them are making prefab materials kasi kulang ang workers. So dun sa mga taong nagsasabi wala silang choice, I believe wala silang choice kasi namimili sila ng opportunities. Kasi yung ibang trabaho, malayo, mainit, maaga ang pasok, and marami pang ibang excuse. Friends, you always have a choice. Kaso, meron din akong na-discover. The reason why people have no choice is kasi yung gusto nilang trabaho, hindi sila qualified. Kaya some of them will say that life is unfair. Yung mga opportunities na gusto nila, hindi dumadating sa kanila. Is life really unfair? I will answer this in another video. Pero balikan muna natin yung trabaho mo na sabi mo wala kang choice. Tinanggap mo yung trabaho and yung sweldong inoffer sa'yo. Wala ka na bang choice? Meron ka pa ring choice. May choice ka na magsipag, magtamad, or umalis. Maghanap ng ibang trabaho na mas gusto mo. Pero pag umalis ka, naghanap ka ng ibang trabahong gusto mo, ang tanong ko lang, makakahanap ka ba ng mas maganda kung hindi ka qualified? Now, meron din naman mga trabaho na qualified ka pero mas malayo. Meron ka pa ring choice. Will I stay or will I adjust to the new opportunity? But supposing you stayed put, ano ang choices mo? May choice ka na magtamad. Kasi sabi mo, ang litlit ang sweldo, bakit pa ako magsisipag? Ba't ko gagalingan kung ito lang ang sweldo ko? If you make the choice, kailangan mo maintindihan, hindi lalaki ang sweldo mo. Hanggang dyan ka na lang kasi ang sweldo, bayad sa ginagawa mo. Hindi ka pwede magsabi sa boss mo, boss, lakihan mo sweldo ko, magsisipag ako. Sa totoong buhay, magsipag ka muna bago lalakihan ang sweldo mo. But you have another choice. You can choose to excel maski maliit yung sweldo mo. You can choose to be submissive to your boss and be very obedient to the company. You can choose to work harder. And when your bosses find that you have excelled, 'di ba, they will now pay you higher to compensate for your hard work. Ako naniniwala, people get what they deserve. But some of you will say, sa kumpanya namin, hindi totoo yan. Minsan grabe ka na magsipag, hindi ka pa binabayaran mabuti. To explain bakit 'to nangyayari, let me share with you a story. Many years ago, nagbigay ako ng isang training sa Cagayan de Oro, and before me were a lot of businessmen, nagsama sila ng empleyado nila. At the end of my talk, there was somebody who came forward, and ang tanong niya, sabi niya, "Sir Dong, what will I do if my boss is unfair?" So sabi ko sa kanya, "What do you mean that your boss is unfair?" Sabi niya, "He does not give us what we deserve." What do you mean he does not give you what you deserve? Sabi niya, "Naniniwala ako I deserve a higher salary. Naniniwala ako ng karamihan ng tao sa kumpanya deserve something higher, pero he does not give us what we deserve." Sabi niya sa akin, "What should I do?" Sabi ko sa kanya, "You should leave. Why should you work for an unfair boss?" 'Di ba? Kung feeling mo unfair, di umalis ka, maghanap ka ng ibang trabaho. Pero sabi niya sa akin, "Wala pa ho akong ibang pupuntahan eh. Wala ho akong makitang mas magandang trabaho." So sabi ko sa kanya, "Ito gawin mo. Galingan mo, wag mong sayangin ang panahon mo sa kumpanya. Tratuhin mo yung trabaho mo na parang sa'yo, para matuto ka, para gumaling ka, para pag time na nakakita ka ng ibang trabaho, mas magaling ka na and mas bibigyan ka nila ng mas malaking sweldo. So wag mong sayangin, galingan mo for your own sake." Tas sabi ko sa kanya, "Pag magaling ka na, iwanan mo yung boss mo, parusahan mo yung boss mo for not giving you what you deserve." However, before he left, sabi ko rin, "Pero alam mo ba, pag magaling ka na, your boss will give you what you really deserve." So I explained, sabi ko sa kanya, "Employer ako. Naghahanap ako ng magaling na tao. Yung magaling na tao, poprotektahan ko yan. Bibigyan ko siya ng sweldo na feeling niya importante siya sa akin. Hindi ko siya papakawalan para hindi siya mag-iisip, I need to go because my boss does not give me what I deserve." Pero yung taong visit, yung reklamador, yung bang hindi pa niya nagagawa trabaho niya, humingi na ng raise, bibigyan ko yun ng malit na sweldo. Para he will tell himself, my boss is unfair. Bakit? Kasi pinapaalis ko na siya eh. Friends, you have to understand, employers do not want to lose people who are good. But people who are lazy and who feel that they deserve more, na hindi wala pa nga silang ginagawa, we will let them go. Life is fair. You get what you deserve. You always have a choice. Pag nakatanggap ka ng trabaho na feeling mo malit ang sweldo, galingan mo kasi lalaki rin yon. But supposing yung kumpanya mo hindi fair, galingan mo pa rin. Bakit? Para pag umalis ka na, mas marami ka ng alam. Do not allow the company to rob you of your years. Pagpasok mo, bobo ka. Paglabas mo, bobo ka pa rin kasi hindi mo ginilangan. Di ba sayang? Gamitin mo na lang yung kumpanya as a learning center to grow your abilities and to become a better person. You always have a choice. Choose to be better. Kaibigan, pag natulungan ka ng video na to, I wish that you will share this to your friends and family para matulungan din natin sila. And then help me reach more people by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, so that YouTube can share this video to more people, maski to more Filipinos lang. So maraming salamat for watching this video. May God bless you.